Mm. Mm. Coffee. Like losing my first tooth, my first time was surprising. Ooh. To the sweet and bitter taste, touching upon my taste buds, leaving me with a taste of Colombian roast flavor to remember. Leaving no change for the caffeine fairy under my pillow, or paying her $1 for this 8-ounce cup of partners. But it's over mic night, so I leave some change in the change jar. Sitting in a well-known coffee house listening to people like me spill their emotions to unknown realities. Receiving applause and praise from the audience that listens. Sitting in the dim corner with my friends next to this little palm tree covered with lights and decoration, giving this coffee house some parts of life. As I sit here, listening, drinking and sipping and drinking, I come to my last sips, placing this empty cup in front of me, agreeing on my thoughts on how I may need another cup, receiving my daily dose of sugar shot from this 8-ounce cup, with 4 spoons of sugar, 2 scoops of creamer. That was my first good cup. Of coffee.